Hey guys, this is Sid, and welcome to my channel. It's Sid saying. So this is the fourth part of the Yive series, and in this part we will be talking about creating a specific URL campaign. So in the last part we created the Amazon campaign and the keyword campaign. So in this one we will be creating a specific URL campaign. So I got a lot of queries from different people asking me about strategies to sell on Clickbank. How do I sell on Clickbank through Yive, and how do I get Yive's strategies to get more hop links and more clicks on my offers. So in this video we're going to talk about that. In the first part we will be going to the specific URL campaign, and for that we have to go to Clickbank to choose an offer that we would like to promote. So we are at Clickbank. We are going to go to the marketplace. When we hop out to the marketplace, we can see that all the products are displayed here, and we are going to go for e-business and e-marketing. Okay, so now we're there. We are going to choose an offer. Let's go for Scribble. It's the world's first ebook creator. Gives us $485 a customer, 75% commissions. Looks pretty good. Okay, so let's go on to the sales page. Alright, so this is a sales page. Looks pretty decent, but it has too many images, too many I'd say graphics to help us not choose this. So we will not go with this. We will choose something else to go with the Scribble to create a video. So we are going to hop on to Google and we will find out a Scribble review just to get the content out of the URL. So we are going to click on the first link. Let's see what this is about. So it's a review for Scribble, and we are going to choose this as the URL from which we are going to extract the content for our video. Okay, so we have copied the URL. We are going back to Yive. We have chosen the specific URL, and the campaign name would be Scribble CB1. We go on to the next step. Now we have to put in the URL that we would like to extract the content from. So we paste that. We go on to the next step. We put in the keywords. Now since it's an ebook creator, we can put in ebook creator, scribble review. I'm just putting anything right now just for the purpose of this video, but I think you should research well and choose the keywords that suit your need the most. Sorry, scribble review. Asset keywords is something that Yive will fetch the videos and images from. So suppose I write in asset keywords like lion, so the video will show images and videos of lions. So we have to go for something similar. So let's say ebook, software, and books, reading, and so on, so on. Slide with the text, you can select that. It gives Yive the liberty to choose something similar to what the text is written in. Okay, so in this we have to edit it. It says that adding two lines breaks inside script will force new text slide. So we don't want everything to come under one text slide. So obviously we want it to be different, every slide to be readable, and gives a good amount of time to the reader to go through it. It doesn't have to be confusing or too fast or too slow. So we are going to edit that. We are going to omit everything that we don't need, and then we're going to go ahead with that. Alright guys, so I've added the line breaks. I have segregated it into different articles. Now what we're going to do is we are going to go into the video title. Video title will be something similar to what we want. We can also use Spintax. Spintax is something which I'll be explaining to you in the videos later, because it has to have a different video of it altogether. Spintax means we can use different titles, different keywords, different descriptions for all the videos, and no video will be the same or to each other. Okay, so in the description we are just going to go with transcription. We're just going to add that. It'll be easier for us. The tags would be again something similar to the keywords that we chose, so we can go ahead with that. Intro text would be, I think keyword would do. Intro background, we would choose black over white. or white over black. Outer text would be by now, link in the description. Okay. Again, outro background would be white, black, same thing. Slides per video would be 15 to 20. Duration plus per slide is 7 to 10. Video duration is coming out to be 2 to 4 minutes. Okay. Look and feel, we want the add animated text overlay on video. Yes. Audio, we just want the background music. We are going to go to the next step. So this is where we are now. So in the content, there is something that we've forgotten. We have to add our Clickbank product ID, the hop link. So it is very important to use that. So we are going to go to promote. I'm just going to put in my affiliate ID. This is just for training purposes. You can put in your own time and just do how you want to do it. Okay, we're just going to generate a hop link on this. You're just going to copy that. I'm going to go. Okay, so now we are at our Bidroll account. We are going to use the URL shortener that we have in this to create a shortened URL for us. We're going to go to the funnel club. You can edit that here. So this is going to be scribble. We are going to copy that and we are going to put that in the description. So here is our affiliate ID, here is our affiliate link that we've put in the description. Now anybody who wants to buy it can buy it from here. So we are going to go to the last step now straight away, and everything seems to be in place. We're going to go to the last step. We want to upload videos automatically. We are just going to do it for one channel. Count views, maybe 5 minutes. Tags again would be the same as keywords. We want to check the translations. So yes. We don't have a SynLab account. Videos per day, since we're just doing one video, so one video would do. Total video count, just for the sake of this video, we're going to do one video. Render automatically, yes. Campaign status, it's on. Let's start immediately. Alright guys, so we're done with that. I will be posting the video that is created in the description box below, so go through that. And this was it for the fourth part of the Yive series. If I hope you liked it. If you did, please press the like button, subscribe to the channel so that whenever I get the next video, you're notified about that. Alright then, see you next time then.